I think getting away from the pressure. When you think that the pressure is not healthy for you anymore, is the time when you say, I need to take some steps back and stop for a while. The most important time for a dancer is when, of course, it's not when he's not working. The most important time is on stage. When you are inside, you are really focused on steps and you are in this square trying to do everything technically really well. But when you distance yourself, when you come back with a whole new energy. Traveling is great. When I have the possibility of traveling, I will never look back. It's the only money I will never regret spending. It gives you a new perspective of the world you live in, either for your life, but also for your work. Friends are obviously very important. When they are sharing with you all these experiences on a daily basis at work and outside of work, it's very moving that you can share all of that with someone that you know so well. The National Ballet of Portugal means obviously a lot to me. It was the best platform for me to expand my work and to be able to work with so many amazing dancers. There is no doubt that what makes me happy now is dancing.